Aloha guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my holiday giveaway. This is my second one that I've done, second year in a row. So I'm going to link my first giveaway that I did last year so you can see what I gave away last year. But this video is about what you're going to be entering to win this year for December 2018. So if you want to see what you can win, then just keep watching. So this year I am, instead of giving away like a tote bag, I am giving away this Kate Spade makeup bag. So it's really super cute. So it's like polka dot. I believe it's it looks either navy blue or black, but with polka dots. It's so cute, and you can hang it up like this, and it's got pockets here so you can put like your smaller makeup brushes. It's got these little cubbies where you can put brushes as well, where you can store those. And so these are some of the giveaway brushes. So these are actually some Lexi giveaway brushes that we're going to be talking about in a minute. And then on this other side is where you can store like your makeup palettes, your foundation, and whatever else. And then you also have this mesh pouch that also stores stuff. So it is awesome to travel with. So this is going to be your Kate Spade makeup traveling bag. Okay, so next we'll talk about the brushes. Since you've already seen some of the brushes, you're going to win 3 Lexi brushes, and they're brand new. So you have like a blush brush, like a powder brush, and then this one I believe is a duo fiber brush. So you're going to win those 3 brushes. And then on top of that, I'm giving away my Lexi brushes that I just got in my boxy charm, which are going to be your detailed brushes. So you have a couple detailed brushes and then a couple that will apply eyeshadow to your eyelids. So I'm giving those away just because I have a ton of brushes right now, and I just thought that this would be perfect for the giveaway. If you haven't seen the boxy charm, I just took them out to show them to you. They're super beautiful. They're gold and they're very shimmery. So they're beautiful, and yeah, so I'm giving them to you. So those are 4 Lexi detailed brushes. So, and that comes in that package there. Another thing that I'm giving away, I don't want to give away the big stuff just yet, but so I'm going to give away the Superhero Mascara by IT Cosmetics. So it is a full size. It has not been opened. And a lot of people love this mascara, and it really lengthens your lashes. So you're going to be winning a full size of IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. And then I gave this away last year as well, but you're going to win the L'Oreal Voluminous Base, which I use every day, and I swear by this. This is super amazing. So if you haven't tried it, try it. But you're going to get that here in the giveaway. Another thing that you're going to be winning is this Mystic Tan. And so if you are a tanner, especially during winter and you don't want to look pasty, you can tan up your skin with this Mystic Tan. All right, so one request I had for the giveaway was for skincare, and I absolutely love skincare and think it's super important. If you want to have a great base, a flawless face, you have to have good skincare. So I got this little trial size of a couple different products. You know, skincare can be very expensive, but I've been using the Belief Moisture Balm, and I thought you guys might like to try something from Belief. The Moisture Balm is the only thing that I've tried, and I'm thinking about picking up one of these for myself. But so this has the Aqua Balm that I've been using, and oh my gosh, I don't know, I feel like this with your primer and your makeup, it just looks amazing. So it has the Believe True Cream Aqua Bomb. It has the Moisturizing Eye Balm. Oh, I would love to try that. I'm an eye cream fanatic. And then it has the Hungarian Water Essence. So you got some water essence. And then you have, a creamy cleansing foam moist. So you have a cleanser, which is awesome. Great way to try it. And lastly, this is the Believe in Truth Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask. Oh, how nice. And look at what a cute little thing that's in. Yeah. So, and then you have the directions in here in this cute little carrying case. Like, how cute is that? So you could actually use this as your travel skincare. But yeah, some great products. And even though these are trial size, they'll last you at least a good month. So, if not longer. So yeah, so you're getting a skincare set by Believe. And then you're also getting this Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. So it's sealed, so I'm not going to open it up. But this is also a trial size, which if you have not tried the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil, it smells like chocolate. And it, like, I love Too Faced products. I love their eyeshadows. They're like one of my favorite brands, them and Urban Decay. So you're getting that. And then also by the Parral Gal, which I have one of these, you're getting, let me see if I can find mine so I don't have to open this one. Okay, I found mine so I don't have to open this one. It's two-sided, so it has the light side, and basically you can use it for underneath your brow, you can use it for highlight corner, you can use it just to highlight, and then the other side is almost like a contour, which I have used it to contour, so you can use it just for a lot of different things. It's really beautiful. I love this thing. When I got it, I had never heard of the Parral Gal, and I believe I got it in my Allure box when I was subscribed to Allure. So you're gonna get that and you're gonna love it, I swear. All right, so the last two things. Okay, I ordered these and I just got an email yesterday saying that they finally shipped, and I think because I bought it on Cyber Monday. But I'm gonna show you mine, and this is exactly what you're gonna get. And you're going to get the Dose of Colors Desi and Katie Friendcation palette. And I did a look with this. I'm actually wearing it today, but I did do a look with this, and it's going up on Wednesday. So these are the shadows, and they're absolutely, absolutely gorgeous. I love this palette. It cost, I think, $55. And I was a little afraid to buy it initially because I thought I'll never use those eyeshadows. But I saw another YouTuber use it, and I was like, okay, I gotta have it. So I bought it. I love it, and you're gonna love it too. So if you're interested in seeing more about this, you can watch the tutorial that I'm gonna upload on Wednesday. And then the next thing that you're gonna get with that is gonna be the Desi and Katie lip gloss, and it's over the top, and this is like one of their most popular lip glosses. Last year, this is the second year they released it. Last year when they released it, it was only like for a limited time. So when they ran out, people started selling these like for, I don't know, like 50 bucks or something. It was crazy. So I'm actually wearing this on top of my lipstick. But so I bought you guys one of these, and you're gonna get it. And mine is almost, I don't know if you can see, but it's like I'm scraping the sides. But that's it right there. It's super duper beautiful by itself or over tons of like nude lip glosses and or lipsticks and stuff. So this is the Christmas 2018 giveaway. I am going to have all the instructions listed down below in the bottom bar. Something super important, follow all the instructions. You must be subscribed to my YouTube channel, and it has to be I have to be able to see it. It can't be on private. So like when I look, say if you're the winner and I go and I look for Susie Q, I have to see your name and see that you are subscribed to my channel in order to win. Otherwise, just go down below, read the instructions, and good luck everybody, and thank you for being a subscriber. So I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!